Hello, this is Excel Graph 1, inverse functions. So, first we will have to write a regular function. So first we use m equals and b equals. So then after we have the m equals and the b equals, now we make an x, and then so I'm going to go -10, -8, copy, then y would be equals m times
F4.
equals, F4. Yeah, do F4 for that. M times, which would be here. No, F4 plus B equals
F4.
Oh yeah, F4 too. Enter. Now we copy it down. So now let's try this out by putting in some numbers. Like, let's just put 1 and 1. So, you see, the numbers changed. So let's make this the same color. And all centered for some reason. The Y wasn't centered, but let's make all of these blue. So now but now we're going to plot the inverse. So this is going to be y1.
Okay, I'll show you.
And this is how you change something to subscript. Go to Format Cells and just click Subscript. Now we're going to do the inverse function. So, well, when you solve an inverse function, you change the inverse function, you change y equals mx plus b to x equals my plus b. So, and then you subtract b from both sides.
Right.
And so we get x minus b equals my. My.
And y equals.
So then we're going to switch sides for the end. Y equals x minus b divided by m. So
it's x over m and b over m. B over m. So equals.
Yeah, so then I'll put equals. We did that. Well, this should be equals 1 divided by the slope, because we divide by the slope. So then this one equals the intercept divided by the slope, since we divide by the slope again, and enter 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1.
Okay.
So now we need to add something to plot this.
This is the inverse.
Yeah, y2. No, just y2. Just y2.
Okay.
And we'll make this the same coloring and bold and
here, I'll do
this, and then we put this cell
right.
And then we put this format cells and subscript. Okay, so now we should have y2. So then this one equals the
F4
that
times
x
plus
the plus this.
F4.
Yeah, enter. So then we'll put this in orange too. So then it should be the same. So now let's just experiment and change this to 2. So these both change to 0.5 and this one changes.
Shall we plot it?
Yeah, let's graph it. So now insert graph.
Why don't you highlight it first? All right.
Yeah. Highlight. So we highlight the whole thing?
Yeah.
Insert graph, and we'll do a line. Okay, so there was a slight problem before. We had, it's supposed to be negative b2 divided by b1. So anyways, we added in an x equals y, and that,
Let me write that there.
x equals y line. So here is x equals y. And okay, so x equals y.
And you can see the functions are symmetric. The function and the inverse are symmetric with respect to the x equal y. Right?
Yes,
that's
a
property
symmetric
of inverse functions. So
yes.
Always that way.
They will always be symmetric.
Okay.
And also here they cross at x equals y. They will always cross at x equals y, and that spot will always be negative b. Well, I'll just say it. Negative b divided by n minus 1. Let's put in all different values. 4, 3.
It's always
2, 1, 0, and now we have a problem.
Okay.
We have a problem now that we've reached 0. See, it's m equals 0, and now we have division by 0. And they don't cross along.
They're not symmetric with respect to x equals y.
They don't cross along.
There's a mistake.
Line. Yeah, there must be a mistake. So, well, the inverse of y equals 0x plus 5. So now x equals 0y plus
b
5. So now that time it didn't try it.
Yeah, it's because you had the minus sign. All right, y.
So now we can just get rid of that, and it's, you see, it's x equals 5. So x equals 5, but this isn't x equals 5, so we have a problem. So what are we going to do? Any suggestions? Okay, so we're going to use an if-then statement. So all of this stuff, we're going to just delete it and replace it with an if-then statement. So if this equals 0, like it does now, then
comma.
Infinity.
Now we have to put parentheses, but we want the word infinity.
Yeah, you need to put quotes if you want to write a word. Infinity.
And if not,
but if not, then we put back what we had before.
What was it?
I do not remember.
Minus b over m.
Yes, minus b
divided 2. Is that right? Slash.
Well, we'll make sure after this. I think it may have
b1. All right, put the value in for it.
No, that's wrong. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's wrong. That's wrong. This would be 1. This would be 1. Enter. There. That's right.
No, wait. I don't think you have it right.
What? What's this? See,
guess you do.
yeah.
All right.
So 7, yeah, that works. And when it's 0, but now we have number values on this one. So we'll put an if then statement on this one too. If this equals 0, like it does now, then infinity. You put UBFU infinity, and if not, then put B2 divided by B1.
It's got to be after the comma.
Here, now it works.
Right.
It works, but when we put 0 in, it still doesn't work, even though it now says infinity. So we got the messages right, but what about all these number values? It is a number value, but that value doesn't exist for anything except for 5, which isn't even on here. So now we have some problems. What should we do? I have an idea. Let's start another X column. We'll copy this over. Actually, no. We'll do another if-then statement. So, if this equals 0, then this. Yeah, and $, and F4. Or if not, then this, no $. Enter. No.
Wait,
copy. Oh, we never put a $. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now let's try it with 4. Yeah, this works, but we still haven't. But this line still doesn't work when it's 0. Enter. So we click on this line and we take these X values from over here and stick them over there.
Okay.
So now we just need to use another if-then statement. If, not equals, but if this equals 0,
F4.
You put minus 0. Then so this.
And if not?
If not, then it's this.
Well, no. You mean the word infinity?
No, it's not. Then it's this times that cell. This. Oh, yes, and F4 times this plus this. So now enter. So see, now it works.
Try it without 0. Make sure it works without.
Now let's make sure it works without 0. Enter. Yep, see, it works.
Okay.
So now we'll go. So now
it's finished.
Yes. Now let's lock the rest. Now let's lock it so they can only change these. So lock it. We're going to show you how to lock it. Data.
Do you remember how to do it?
Do you remember how to do it?
Or is it review?
Review.
Text sheet.
Text sheet. And then we enter a password such as, and then okay, and then we enter it, and then yeah. So then you can. So then we can change this.
No, I think we didn't do it right.
Okay, but
We'll figure it out. We'll
yeah.
figure it out. Okay. Thank you.
We'll take that out.
All right. So we have everything done. We'll figure that out. Charlie,